Hello friends, my name is Saksham. In this video, I'm going to tell you 10 interesting facts about birds. Hummingbird is the only bird that can fly backwards. The only poisonous bird in the world is hooded pituhui. Poison is found in its skin and feathers. There are around 18,000 different species of birds. Flamingo can only eat when its head is upside down. Ravens are great at mimicking human speech and sounds. Birds are warm-blooded. Their bodies maintain a constant temperature around 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Ducks and some other birds sleep with one eye open. Hummingbird is the smallest bird and weigh between 2 to 20 grams. Bayesian thrushes find food by farting. Budgies catch each other's yawns. When one budgie yawns, other budgies yawn too.